All Pro Exterior Services here again with, I don't know if you remember this, but we got a call for gutter cleaning a while back, roof debris clean off. So we're going to do that again real quick, but we're also upsold them on a whole driveway and a complete house wash. So Tony's going to go ahead and jump on that, knock it out. It'll take 10-15 minutes maybe. And then I'm going to go ahead and jump on property protection around here. So I think there's some plugs and stuff around here. And again, we got a wooden door, nice wooden door. You can see it's, those may be plastic, I don't know. Anyway, on this side we have a gate, which is great. And over here, nothing too much. Perfect. Anyway, what it's about, man. Upselling. You go out, make relationships with these customers, let them know what you do, what services you offer, and plant seeds, man. Keep watering the garden, it'll grow. And I'd like to shout out to my two guys on YouTube that I follow, and we talk quite a bit, Mr. Mike Carmody and Mr. Joe Deary. They got some awesome channels. I want you guys go check them out. I drop a link in the description. They got some footage like mine, a little bit different, so you can learn from all of us. And we plan to do a little something in the near future. But we're going to be using the AR-45 today. Let's go check the bleach level. And we'll probably go ahead and up this where I'm at 4. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm finding that water wide open and 4 is good. So we're probably at 27 gallons. And one other thing I may do is I'm thinking about doing this is ordering another Indelco metering valve, putting it here. That way they're equal. You don't have to do none of this. It's all equal, and I want to put another 1/2 inch here because I plan to do something else with that. Maybe degreaser, all-purpose cleaner, or whatever. So anyway, Anthony's hopping on the roof, and we're going to get it done. So we'll catch up in a minute. All right, peace. All right, everybody. Got everything set up. Tony blew off the roof. Took about 15 minutes. And I just set my keys right there. So yeah, before picks. Remember, I always preach that. You got a little bit of green on the garage. Try to note your position. So next to this plant. Okay. I also noticed that, that's kind of hard to see. Also noticed that if you wet your concrete and take a before and after pick, it's going to look a lot better. Anyway, I got a lot of picks, so I think in this juncture we're just going to roll. All right, guys, we're going to do the AR. Got the remote, got the soap on about 5, got this on about, okay, a little over 4. I'm going to go ahead and choke it up. Crank our throttle up. We're in bypass. There we go. She's purring like a kitten. Let's get it up. I like to put her in that green and yellow line, and when I get on the gun, it drops down. It's a good spot. Gonna go ahead and pre-wet some of this. Let's go ahead and test it out on this garage. Get our soap on. Hit the tree. A little bit of landscaping around here. We just got a bunch of rain, so we got a big rainstorm coming in the morning too, so we're golden. We're good. We're good. We're golden goose. Golden goose, baby. Get the cans for them. That's what we do. Should be too big of a job. Got a long driveway. We're gonna go ahead and double feed in a minute. Tony's gonna go ahead and get on that. Wait on soap. I'm gonna pre-wet some of this. Get all this nasty stuff off. I'm gonna go ahead and soak that down with some stuff. There we go. We got soap. Let's go ahead and hit this. Just like you're painting, baby. Property protection at its best. Sorry for any overage that I'm getting on you guys. Just the way it's gonna have to be today. A little bit of overage ain't gonna hurt. Nice thing with this AR is that you can, you know, when I was having my downstream, the problem I had when I was pulling through the injector, it would cut off my flow. You don't have that problem with this one, so let's just go ahead and pre-wet some of this. Make it look clean. Clean, baby. Go ahead and get it all done. All right, here's the rub. Put it right there. Do a little pre-treating, Tony. A little pre-treating. Right. So that's a test. Remember, look, they've got some expensive locks on there, so we went ahead and covered those guys up. Tricky parts to this house, for sure. You gotta be creative with your angles. The window's good. Eliminator's working great, especially with that check valve with the lower crack pressure. Important. I know people say cock it and kind of over that, but anyway. So we got all that done. So let's get over here, hit this side, make sure you get all that roof. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Look at this area here. That door nice. Make sure you get all of them creases too. Like that gutter right there. Alright guys, look at that. All the green's gone. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this side right away. What I'm talking about, baby? Yeah, let's get it. Again, we're trying not to be in the moving business. That's a whole nother operation. All pro moving business. Start moving furniture around. You gotta be cognizant. I'm gonna catch the back on the backside. No pun intended. So we'll just let this marinate. I'll go ahead and hit that soap off, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit these. I'm gonna go ahead and hit these bricks again. Or you know what? I'm actually gonna hit this wall right here. You got enough SH in a line to hit a wall. You strategically do this, it'll be good. Make sure you get everything over here. Get over here. Okay. Spray some down here, clean the line out, and start rinsing. See how easy that was? Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and rinse. We'll go ahead and rinse all this and then catch the backside and the front. We'll be done this and then hit the surface cleaner. Alright, peace. Alright guys, on the backside of the house, rolling like, oh, the wind's on this side. Okay. We'll get it. Go ahead and rinse this bush down a little bit, a little property protection. This is pre-bleach, guys. Don't get excited. Fly United. Wet that window down. We're gonna hit this back side of this house, catch the front side, and we're done. Well, Andy's he's hooking up double feed. We just went ahead and decided to do it. So, once we get some soap here, kind of wet that brick down a little bit. It's a little warm. Beautiful day today. So there we go. We got soap. drive just a little bit aside. Gonna hit the front. Tony's already on surface cleaning, knocking that portion out. So we're gonna hit this good right here. It's kind of heavy. We hit it good. We're gonna hit that right there. So we'll hit the windows. The leaves good. Got a nice smell of SH. I want to try it. Seems to be working a lot better. And I also put the swivel on here. This 1/2-inch swivel really makes it nice. So I got 4.5%. Got coming out of here in a minute. We're gonna spray those little pavers and maybe a little post treat. I did hit it with post treat with the AR, so it's coming out nice, no lines, so we're good. Waiting on soap, people. It's been a minute, but here it comes. Here it comes. You hear it when it starts breaking like that? Oh yeah. Yeah, got some good stuff here. See this is like oil. So we're gonna go ahead and hit this with a strong mix. Just let it marinate, come back and hit it with a little M5 twist action. Oh yeah, this is strong. Look at this too. Uh-oh, got a kink. Really good. Just get a nice coat on it. See how much slack we got left. I like to hit this too. Just put a nice finish on it. There you go. Some heavy organic growth. That's that grass right there. You can't kill that stuff. You kill that, you're pretty good. Just let it marinate. That's all you gotta do. That's it, baby. All pro. Coming natural. Get it good. Again, just hit a nice little spray. A little overspray. Golden. A little area right here. That's how you get that residual business. Take care of your customer. Get the manuals, baby. Running it. Running it. Look at that. 12 volts working good now. I think it's what it was. It was that, I think I told you guys this, but it was that drop stick in that pipe with the bleach swinging back and forth as we take the trailer, go on a trailer. And yeah, we're golden. We're going to turn the water off and the soap off. Turn my water off. Open that all the way. I switch it to water. Just run the line out. Come back, get this. Yeah, we're gonna come back and then probably push that in a little bit, but we'll be good. Or I may just leave that on there. Let Mother Nature take care of it. Alright guys, catch up in a minute. Peace! Got all this surface clean, all the back surface clean. We've got to hit my truck. I'm gonna pull up a little bit. We did that strategically. So we got a long driveway here. I didn't want to have to connect two hoses. We were double feeding there for a minute. I just stopped the double feed. We're still pretty good on water, so we're about half a tank. And we're gonna go ahead and rinse this off and then pull up the truck, hit this little area, and roll with it. Use a 0 and 5 twists. I ain't using them in a minute. Been a minute. I like the little M5 twist with a little fan tip. Got a nice flow. It's got better knockdown power than the AR, I would say for sure. But you know, AR is good. AR is nice for house washing. I would choose the AR any day over downstreaming. Just knowing what I know today, but that's just me. I mean, there's no right or wrong way to do it. It's what makes you most efficient. So just remember that. Don't read all them forums and all this. You got to do that. You ain't got to do nothing. You do what you want to do, and you make sure you're comfortable doing it and efficient, and you'll be all right. That's all that matters. And that's an all-pro nugget. All right, everybody, back at the house. Got the setup. Did well today. No problems. Customer ended up coming out, talking a little bit, and just dropped the Google review, and she also is going to refer me to a few friends. We're just trying to get caught up, but we're blessed. So let's see how much bleach we use. I think it was at 27. 27? Yeah, about 15, 16. Just 10 gallons. 11 gallons, but we had a long driveway. I put a 4.5% on it with the 12 volt. 12 volt worked real well today, so that fix that we did worked. If it breaks again, I got a little something I'm gonna probably put together, but in the meantime, it's working good. And I like using the 12 volt for post treating. It doesn't, you know, it's not a lot of volume. And so anyway, all right, guys, catch you on a rebound. Please like, sub, call, comment, keep them coming. Peace.